Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a great weekend. Let's see what's going on. So, futures are kind of flat, a little bit red. All right, let me just fix this one. All right. So, oh wow. Okay. ES, we got a dark blue bar on the weekly, which high chance it will go light blue bar again. The only thing is Nvidia is gapping up 20 points. Each point is $2.5 billion, so that's like $50 billion added to the market cap. And SMCI got added to the SMPX is going to get added on March 18, I believe, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Usually, in general, when semis go up, indexes should jump up too, but apparently not today. So far at open, so there is a possibility at open market jumps up. Pre-market right now, ES on the 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 1 hour is pointing down. 4 hour we get dark blue bar. MACD is a little bit curved down, but because the semis are very green, there is a chance that everything goes green again. So keep an eye on the 5 and 15. If you see ES 3 minutes, 5 minutes MACD golden cross confirms, and then 15 follows too, then we can rip up again. Just another thing I wanted to show you guys is that if I find it, okay, here we are. So right now market trend is kind of like this. It comes up, then you know, it consolidates a little bit, creates a flag, then it runs up again. Same thing like BTC right now, Nvidia, AVGO, AMD. There's so many names doing the same right now. They come up, they consolidate, break a range, make a range. Then once it breaks it, it runs up again. But at some point, when the market gets bearish, goes elevator down. But for now, everything is upward. NQ, same thing like ES, almost a little bit. 5 is down, 15 MACD is about to dead cross. In general, is stronger than other indexes because of semis. 1 hour is downward, 30 minutes is downward too. 4 hour we don't have dark blue bar, but I just interested that it's interesting that we got a dark blue bar on the weekly. But MACD is still very bullish until we don't have a dead cross. We can't get fully bearish. Dow Jones most reddest index today. We got dark blue bar finally confirmed last week. For past few weeks, every time it was going dark blue bar, it was turning to light blue bar again. But it closed dark blue bar last week, and again dark blue bar this week. And weekly is a little bit curving down. Not sure which component of the Dow Jones is bringing the index down today, but direction is downward. RUT breaking out, almost about to, and this one looking very bullish still on 4 hour daily and weekly. The lower TNX goes, this one can fly up, but TNX is green too today. DXY pre-market kind of still between the range of 103 and 104. TNX 1% higher, again between 41.68 and 42.45. Breaks either one can have a bigger move. Wix 3% higher, it's still between 1307 and 1373. Breaks either one can make a bigger effect on market. If it does break 1373 today at open especially, we're looking at those next target: 1414, 1447, 1479. If it goes below 1307, the market can get squeezy up. SPX a little bit opening down, so for 51.28, if it can hold it, next supports are 51.11, 50.98. If it does break Friday high 51.40, next major level is 51.53. Above that, sky is the limit: 51.94, 52.35. BTC broke 65,000, went to 66, 3,000 away from all-time high on this BTC futures that I'm following. But pre-market, 4 hours kind of flat still, and not showing that much bullishness pre-market. So we'll see how the action is going to be at the open. ETH break 3,500. This one getting close to all-time high too. All-time high I think is 4,800. Need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross. It's still inside the range. Once it breaks the range, it can go for acceleration. It does. Its trend is up, but slow motion up. Apple is just in a bad mood. every day. Nothing is helping it. In general, it's still very bearish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. Is already opening below the low of Friday. So a key level to watch is 175.82. If it can hold it, we're looking at 174.95, 174.08, 173.54 is the next major level. Below that, next major level is 171.47. But keep in mind, deep buyers are starting coming in. And Friday was interesting. It went down to 177. Then once the 5 and 15 MACD golden crossed, it had a very nice jump up. So just keep that in mind in case you see 5 is already golden cross. If you see 15 MACD and 30 follows, it can go for a bounce up. But trend in general is down. Um, Temporary jump up. Amazon daily MACD's golden cross, 178.8 was the pre-market high, but it's because the futures are weak, pointing down a little bit. So 177.43 is a support we need to watch. If you can't hold it, back to these are the next support level. Need to pass 180.02 for run up to the all-time high. Nvidia new all-time high pre-market, after the 4 hour got a golden cross. Trend was up and had a nice strong close on Friday and gapping up 20 points higher. Pre-market right now, 5 is already that cross, 15 and 30 is a little bit curved down, but it's still holding up. 1 hour we got a dark blue bar, so if you had a swing, it's good to maybe lock some at open. But 838, if you can hold it, next support is 828. But if it passes 847, next target is 855. Above 855, finally it can run up to my final target, which is 867, 883. 883.19 is a major, super major level on my Fibonacci, which does have a chance to come this week. AVGO is interesting. It did broke my final Fibonacci level on Friday, and then I had to redraw a new Fibonacci level from all the beginning again. The final target was 1354, and then it opened at all-time high, and then it was in just non-stop run up, and right now it's opening at 1419. Next major level, okay, I need to draw this one. 1419 to 48, and there is 1497, 76. Okay, so 1419. So next key level to watch is 1437. Pre-market high is 1425. 1437 passes. Next major levels are 1467, 1497. Baba pre-market not showing that much strength. Daily MACD is curved down, so just forget about it. Nothing special about that. Netflix was very strong on Friday, so key levels to watch is 624 was pre-market high, so 625 is the level I have past that one. 628, 61 is the next major. Above that, we can run up to 641.81. So let's see, 628, 61, 641.81. Oops. 681, 641.81. These days I'm just drawing new Fibonacci's, it just market keeps going all-time high on every name, just keeps going. So 628 is the next key level. Past that one, 631, 636, 641 is the next major levels. Meta is on the run up. 503 right now is a magnet level, up and down, comes back to it, but once it breaks 505, we're looking at 507, 511, and 514.02. It is possible that 524 comes this week. Tesla, Meta pre-market doesn't show that much strength. What direction is gonna go right now is 503 is just magnet. It's still very bullish on the 4 hour. Daily MACD is not golden cross yet. Once it confirms, it can go crazy or higher. But it is possible maybe some profit locking at open, but then once it passes 505, it can go crazy or higher. If 501 can hold it, then it can retest lower level. Tesla, if there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comments. Tesla 4 hour is curved down, it's still very bullish on daily. Weekly is little bit curved up. We got yellow bar, not too much bullish on it yet. It's just hovering around 200 up and down. Need to pass 2013 to run up to 203.76. It was very interesting on Friday. It did have a bounce up 5 minutes MACD golden because premium didn't move that much, but once here it broke 2013, premiums moved bigger. and the 15 MACD and 30 MACD with golden cross, premium had a nice big move. So keep an eye on that one. 2013 again, if it breaks it, 2013 76, and 205 207 is the next target. But if it falls at open again, 197, if it can hold it, those are the next support levels. um, Unfortunately, EV is not the trend right now. All the focus is on AI, so that's why not too much love for Tesla, but it still is volatile enough to make monies on it. Microsoft, pre-market, we got dark blue bar on the 4 hour between 411 and 415, just up and down. 415 passes, we're looking at 416, 418, 420. 411 can hold it, those are the next support level. Google just keeps going lower. 135.59, if it can hold there, we're looking at 134, 132, 130, 182. If the 1 hour MACD dead cross confirms and can hold 135, can go to the lows of 130. Until the daily MACD is not the golden cross, trend is down. Weekly is dead cross, so trend is down in general. But a lot of deep buyers coming sometimes and does have a nice bounce up. So keep an eye on this one too. AMD new all-time high pre-market, 206.1. If it passed that one, we're looking at 207, 209, 210.68 next major. Above 210.68, next majors are 212, 215, 26. 4 hour, until it's not dead cross, trend is still up. Pre-market right now, 15 is up, 30 is up, so it's all about 206.1. Breaks that one, good to go. If Nvidia goes, AMD goes too. Boeing, just up and down, need to pass 198, 37 or 274 for bigger move to happen. This one is just very wild. Very wild in a tight range, but you know, it's just the reward to risk was too low. Too high. I mean, you buy something and then it jumps and then suddenly falls, premiums get killed very fast. SPY to pre-market, same like ES, pointing down. If 511 can hold it, next supports are those levels. Need to pass 512 and 513.74. Pass those, sky is the limit to the next major, which is 517. And yeah, those are the next level if it goes crazy this week. QQQ, all-time high on Friday, 445.27 and 446.69. Those are the range to watch. If 446.69 pass, we're looking at 449, 451.3 is the next major level. 445, if you can hold it, those are next support levels. The IWM making a new 52 weeks high, I believe so. Next major level is 209. Above that, next majors are 213, 216.99. But what else you got here? Adobe is starting to coming up. Daily MACD is curved up very nicely, so watch 574.51. If it passed that one, we're looking at 586 and 606 next major level. ASML new all-time high on Friday, 998 passes, we're looking at 1026.32 next major level. ARM trying to everyday opening is strong, then it pulls back, so it's just a little bit tough to play it. 146 pass, 148, 151 and 154 is the next major level. The coin big jump up because of Bitcoin, so it's already opening above 212.61, the high of last week. 220 pass, we're looking at 230.55 next major level. Above 230, sky is the limit, I guess. So let me see above 230 what's gonna happen. 230.55. So yeah, watch 230 this week. If 230 pass, we're looking at 240, 250 and 277 final major level. If BTC goes all-time high, this one 250 is easy to come. Disney is on the run-up too. 113.15 is the magnet right now. Next major level is at 114.83, 116.5. What else you got? LLY new all-time high, I believe so. Yes, new all-time high. 801 pass, we're looking at 814, 827. MSTR craziness. It was a big jump up into the close on Friday, and BTC new running up. This one tagging along. 1274 is the next major level. Above that, need to draw another. I'm telling you, this market just keeps going higher, and I have to keep drawing Fibonacci levels. 1274, 66, 16, 67.1. So yeah, 1274. is a key level to watch. Past that one, next major levels are 1367 and 1500. Who knows? Maybe goes. I think all-time high on MSTR is 1300. So until the 4 hour is not dead crossed, trend is up and can continue going higher. Pan W 4 hours dead cross was very weak on Friday, but 1 hour is golden cross pre-market, so need to pass 303 and 306 for run up again. SMCI big jump up because of getting added to the S&P 500. 1063 is a key level to watch. All-time high is 1077. It is possible to jump up to it at open. So 1063, 1083 is a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 11, 1115, 1147. Next major level. Next major level, if it passed 1063, is 1147. Above 1147, next key levels are 1214, 1282. What else you got here? Snow 4 hours golden cross. Yes, finally 4 hours golden cross, but it doesn't have that much power to run up. Need to pass 188.08 to run up to 192 and 196. That's pretty much it on the major names. LRCX new all-time high. So this one we're looking at 996, 1013. What else you got here? MU is just keeps going higher there too. Need to draw new levels. The gold is keeps going too. 193.92 is breaking right now. Keep an eye on gold at open. And if it goes crazy at 196.41, 198.9, that's the next major level. SE big jump up after earning but pulled back right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. AMD MSCI I went over it. ARM I went over it. Yep, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a beautiful day. RBLX Roblox just came. I was about to finish it. Roblox weekly MACD is near that cross. Daily is downward. 4 hour got a golden cross. So levels to watch is 4209. If it passed 4209, next major level is 4309. Above that, those are the next level. But it's just kind of a stuck between 40 and 42. Need to break either way is strong for bigger move. All right, thank you. Have a good one.